Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In today's video, I will show you how to create a BingX account in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open the BingX app on your phone. If you have not installed it yet, download it from the Google Play Store or App Store. You can also sign up through the official website at www.bingx.com. Tap on sign up to begin creating your account, but if you already have one, then tap login. So here, you can either continue with your email address or with your phone number. But for this video, I'll continue with email. So enter your email address and create a strong password. And if you have referral code, enter it here to get extra benefits. Now tap sign up. Okay, let me slide it to complete the puzzle. BingX will send you a verification code to your email or phone. Check your inbox or messages. You can also enable the passkeys for faster verification, but for now, I will just tap on later. For now, I'm just skipping the verification process. Once you have entered the correct code, your BingX account is successfully created. You can now start trading and exploring the platform. And yes, that's how you create a BingX account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.